terrazzo floor. So on cleaning a terrazzo floor, you should have a scrubbing brush. You should also have a hand brush. This is for cleaning the skirting board. No, any corridor board have a skirting board, so you use this one to clean a skirting board. You also have a broom for sweeping the dust in the floor, and we also have a dustpan and a dustpan brush for holding the dust after you sweep. And then we have the mops for cleaning the floor. We also have the mop buckets. For terrazzo floor, maybe after you clean it, if you see there is you bath the floor after you finish washing. Any idea?
How do you go about the cleaning? How do you go about the daily cleaning of the terrazzo floor?
You first start with sweeping.
Yes.
After sweeping, you scrub you start with the skirting, you scrub the skirting, then you scrub the terrazzo floor. After scrubbing, you first mop with the warm water. Then you rinse in warm. You mop in warm soapy water. Then you rinse in warm water, and then you rinse in cold water. Then you dry.
Okay, we'll have to see a demonstration of the same. Excuse me, are you unwell? Why are you seated in our class? You didn't excuse yourself.